Hey, what's up guys? Ryan here again. It's Saturday, my day off. It's raining today. It's about 4:30 p.m. in the afternoon. I've been sitting around in the house pretty much all day, and I just decided that I got to get outside and do something. So we're going to attempt to get a fire going and make some food. I've got a steak and peppers and onions and a can of baked beans. That's going to be my dinner for tonight. And I've got a couple beers to wash it down with, so stay tuned. So the first item on the agenda for today, the most important thing I need to do is get a fire going. I'm going to use every bit of the rest of this wood that I have left. So I'm going to split it here under the shelter on this chopping block instead of standing out in the rain. It's really not raining that hard, but it just picked up a little bit. So I'm going to see if I can get this split up and processed and get a fire going. So I'm going to get my fire going a little bit differently today. I'm going to use the wood stove here and to get some hot coals going in it. Just build a small fire in there, and then I'll transfer it over to the fire pit because I'm pretty sure it's probably wet. So we're going to get the fire started in stages. Just going to clean this out a little bit, get all the old ash out of it. So I've just been working on making curls and getting that split up a little bit real fine. And I got some right here to add to it. Once I get a good fire going, I'll end up splitting all this up and get it, you know, I want to have a big fire for a while before I start cooking. But let's go ahead and see if we can get this thing going in the little stove. I got a feather stick in here. So we'll see if I can get that lit. I'm just drinking on a New Belgium Day Blazer. It's only like 5.2% and 4.8%. Looking forward to this dinner, man. It's going to be good. I don't know, man. We'll see if this is going to work. I'm really wondering why when I reverse my camera to selfie mode, it's like putting everything backwards. I cannot get it to correct itself. Everything's like on the opposite side, whatever. But I think that's kind of working, man. So I'm gonna let a little fire burn in here for a little bit and then try to transfer it over to the fire pit, get a good fire going. I got a bunch of food prep I'm going to do here in a minute, so but You know, I've been kind of feeling like I'm not getting enough nutrition here lately, so not enough protein, eating too much junk like pizza and french fries and stuff that, you know, is really not good for you. So I'm going to take this time off to come out here and cook food that I want to cook. We're going to saute these up in a little bit of olive oil. It don't look like I'm going to be cooking anything the way this fire's looking. I'm going to work on that here in a minute. Steak, peppers, and onions. And some baked beans. Yep. It's getting dark on me, fellas. It's getting dark on me, so it's go time. Just a couple small thin ribeyes. Put the seasonings on there. I probably want to eat both of those. I'll probably just take one up for the wife and little boy if they want it. Going to be very interesting to see if I can pull this off. Having to open it up with my leather tool because it didn't have the pop top. Spilling the beans. Popping beans. So I'm adding chili powder. And black pepper. That's what I like to do when I'm out camping. It's just easy to do it that way. If I was really making baked beans inside, I would Add a little ketchup and some mustard and bacon or hamburger and chili powder and black pepper. But I can do without the ketchup and mustard. We're out here. Still gonna make them taste a lot better. I mean, they taste good regardless, but I just like to spice it up a little bit. So I've had this metal scrubber out here for a while, and it's all rusty and been hanging here, you know, under my shelter. I'm going to hold that over the fire and heat that up real good. To kill anything that's on it. And I'm just going to rub this grill rack down a little bit because you know, there's no telling what's on it. You know, it's going to sterilize it. Yeah. Just going to sterilize this thing a little bit. I don't know what side I'm going to put my steak on yet, but I'm going to have the frying pan, the pot, and the steak on here all at one time. So as long as I get it kind of wiped down a little bit, I should be all right. The heat's going to kill anything that's on it anyway, so. And this scrubber's about had it, so it's pretty much done. Just kind of flip it over the edge there. So that's a pretty good fire. I spread it out and it's burning pretty good. So I'm gonna let that kind of die down a little bit before I put the steak on it. I could probably put the steak on the side or something, but for right now it's flaming up too much. This is what it's all about, man. Out here doing it. Doing it. Doing it. Yeah, you know, I've been sick and I still don't feel exactly right. I don't know what's going on. Had a little bit of a sore throat the past couple of days. A lot of stuff going around, man, so. Maybe once spring gets here and everything starts to warm up, all the sickness will go away. So take care of yourself out there, guys. Eat right if you can. And do whatever you can to not be sick. But I'm enjoying being out here and I'm ready to eat this food, man. A little bit of olive oil on them vegetables there. Cooking it up, cooking it up. Man, they smell so good. Everything's smelling amazing right now. I love that Toaks titanium pot, man. It's awesome. My wife would be jealous right now. But she probably wouldn't eat the steak because it's being cooked on a smoky fire. Because my wife is pregnant again with our second. She's about 14, 15 weeks along, maybe 20. Everything's going pretty good. Addie. Little bean juice and then peppers. Coming right along here, man. Coming right along. Starting to run out of coals under there. The beans are done. I took them off already. A little bit of rainwater for flavor. Oh, I got a little fire going under that steak. It's alright. Sizzle it up a little bit. How about these camera skills and the lighting? It is pouring down right now. So I'm leaving the steaks on there for a little bit. I want them to get brown. They're getting there. The rain is threatening to put my coals out. So as soon as these are done, I'm taking this rack off and putting more wood on this thing, because I'm going to sit by the fire and eat it. Let's see what we got, man. Steak's been sitting for about 5 minutes. Looks like it's medium well. That is good. It's like cooked perfectly. I don't like mine super rare, so this is fine. It is fine. Let's try these beans out. On point. Ingredients are on point. Lots of flavor. Try a little bit of onion on there. And a pepper. The peppers are nice and crunchy. I like it like that. Very good. So I'm going to continue to eat like a king out here. If you guys are hungry, go make yourself a sandwich. No, thank you for watching. I pulled it off. Got the fire kicking behind you there. I'm going to finish this off and I'll catch you on the next one. Go!